Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Sign-in Helper bot template and explore its contents. To install Sign-in Helper bot, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage and contents. Using this template, guide your users with any issues they may face when signing in, whether they're current employees, contractors, job seekers or even something else. When ready, select Install. Once a template has been installed, head to the Chatbots section to get a better understanding of how the sign-in bot works. Locate and select Sign-in Helper. The bot targets your sign-in page, whether that's the default platform sign-in page or the sample page from the branded sign-in template. The bot has three possible triggers: form error, 10 seconds on the page, or 10 seconds of inactivity. Head to your sign-in page. Open the bot when the icon appears. The chatbot gives you several options. In this example, we're choosing current employee. The chatbot suggests signing in with SSO. Although this hasn't been configured for this page, we recommend using a single sign-on solution to make the most of the chatbot, or change the chat flow accordingly. When you find a solution that works for you and you reach a resolution in the chat, you receive a farewell message. In this example, we're continuing the conversation and saying that we're still experiencing difficulty. The chatbot suggests signing in manually with the sign-in page from the branded sign-in page template. In this example, we have updated this from the original template layout. If the user is still experiencing trouble, the chatbot offers assistance with the password. If this isn't the issue, the chatbot suggests various options why you might not be able to sign in. In this example, we're selecting maximum attempts reached. This route offers a change password solution to unlock the user's account. The chatbot will confirm that you received your password reset email. If you haven't, it points you to IT Help Desk support. If the user had been experiencing password trouble, they would also be offered a reset password link. Start a new chat to follow alternative scenarios. Select Accepted an offer but haven't yet started. The chatbot welcomes you to the company and tells you to use your personal email address. Select Contractor and the chatbot informs you that access to the platform is at request only for contractors. Select ex-employee and the chatbot prompts you to sign in with your personal email address. Select job seeker and the chatbot wishes you well with your search and informs you that you don't currently have access to the platform. All chatbot responses are extendable and customizable. Any changes that you wish to make can be done in the chat flow section of the Sign-in Helper chatbot. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.